In this short video, you'll learn how to set up the Rise Vision Media Player. First, connect the Rise Vision Media Player to a screen using the supplied HDMI cable. Next, take the supplied Wi-Fi antenna and screw it onto the mounting point at the back of the media player. Finally, take the supplied power cable, connect it to the back of the media player, and then plug it into a wall outlet. The media player will start automatically, and the Rise Vision Player application will show on the screen. On the activation screen, if this is the only media player you're setting up, it's recommended that you use standard activation. If your media player came with a remote, you can use it to select options on the screen. Otherwise, connect a USB mouse and keyboard to the media player and use those to select options for configuration. A list of Wi-Fi networks in the area will appear on the left-hand side of the screen. Select the one that you want to connect the media player to. You'll be prompted to enter the Wi-Fi password. You can either enter it using the on-screen keyboard or with a connected USB keyboard. Once you're done entering the password, click on Continue, and the media player will connect to your network. Next, choose your time zone out of the list of time zones provided on the screen. Once you've chosen your time zone, click on Continue. After a brief load, you'll see the Rise Vision activation screen. Follow the on-screen instructions to activate your display.